Hello, little scientists!
I have a big science question. Can we make a volcano erupt right here?
Let's find out together.
Let's gather our science supplies. Small cup or bottle,
Baking soda,
vinegar,
red food coloring, and dish soap. What do you think will happen when we add the vinegar?
A, nothing happen?
Or B, the volcano erupt?
Point to your answer. Now we add the vinegar.
Whoa, look at that!
The volcano is erupting!
Wow, bubbles everywhere. When baking soda and vinegar mix together, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. That gas makes all the bubbly foam you see.
That's science in action.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn.
Do you think using more baking soda will make a bigger eruption?
A bigger eruption?
What do you think?
What up?
Tell me your guess.
I'm a little scientist, curious every day. I ask big questions, then I test my science makes me say, wow! Fantastic job, little scientist! Today you made a volcano erupt and learned about carbon dioxide gas. Keep asking questions, keep discovering.
See you next time. Bye-bye.